Where you going, Carter? What is that? What is that called? A lawnmower. Yep. Get your monkey, put him in there so you can give him a ride.
Where's my monkey?
Your monkey's on the couch.
Couch.
Yeah, the couch. Let's go find it. Let's see. Did you look on this couch? No. There's no monkey. Let's go look in your room for your monkey. Where'd Braden go? He's gone. Let's go look in for your monkey this way. This way. Here, put your doggy in there. Hey, give me that doggy. Hey, slow down. Slow down. Slow down, you run like a Higgins. There you go. Yep, lay him down so he can lay down. There you go, give him a ride. Say, hold on. You want me to push you? You're going to go, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm going to turn it.
You're going? All right, get in. I'll push you. Let's see if I can set this up for us. All right, you ready, Carter? Say, let's go. All right, let's go. One dove. Put your hood up. Turn the wheel. Turn, Carter. Uh-oh. Hold on. All right, let me take a break. I get tired, dude. Okay, 5. Yeah, we did it. Let me give you 5. Put your hand out. Put your hand out. No, put your hand out. I'll give you 5. Oh, give him a ride. Say, bye, Carter. Fast, Carter. Go fast. Push. Woo. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Oh. Oh. You got my foot. Ah. Whoa. Hey. Get over here. That's mine. Hey. Come here. Come here. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Hey. Slow down. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Whoa! You slid down the hill. Whoa! Yeah. Whoa! Where'd Brayden go? Huh? That's how we do it. That's how we roll.